Hello and welcome. My next guest is Anu Passi Rauste, Chief Marketing Officer at Head.AI. Hello, thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much. So happy to be here in this event today.
Yeah, pleasure is all mine. For starters, I like to begin with something like more of a high level. AI is all over the place, is in our jobs, is in our hobbies, it's pretty much everywhere. But let me ask you this way. Is it more of an opportunity or can it be also a threat for all of us right now?
Yes, that's exactly the thing, that it is everywhere. It's been a bit more invisible, but it's been in our pocket when we think about our mobile phones. Most of us have it, and it's been there for recommending us how to make a good choice in our daily work, how to get to some places, or good recommendations, or in the social media. So it's been everywhere, but now it's also very visible with those new tools, where we can take it and leverage our own work. And that's huge opportunity. All those are, I think, all opportunities. But at the same time, we need to think about how it's affecting, how it's built, what's behind those. And then, because I'm in an AI field, and our company really builds those algorithms. And we use data to build our algorithm, or to develop and develop our language models. And also the data, what we use in the recommendation when we do forecasting. So we need to be aware, not afraid, but aware and very conscious on those issues. And the user, the consumer, should again be not afraid, but aware, and take these kind of issues when using these tools, that it's not just somebody giving it for us. Yeah. We need to be also giving our voice. What do we want from those algorithms? What we want from the data? How we want them to be transparent? What are they doing? And have this kind of a trust on the systems, and build the trust. And that's one person can just raise the voice on those issues, but then there is a lot of, but that's already needed, that we are aware and we raise this issue.
But as we gather today because of the Women in the IT Day, so from like women-wise, is AI like more of a friend or foe when it comes to like paving the career, finding different opportunities? How would you define it?
We talk about in our panel actually AI being more in a mindset also, and breakthrough in that sense that it's now. Those tools are pretty cost efficient, or even free for anybody to use. So in that sense, the opportunity is for everybody, and we can step into the IT areas, IT domain now much easier than before. And therefore it's about now thinking, taking those tools and having the mindset of not being afraid and having a fear, but doing, trying, learning, and that's all so easy nowadays. We can leverage those tools for those topics very easily today, much easier than before.
Like career-wise, do you believe that we can also leverage those tools as to make them kind of a bridge for women that are, interested in participating, in coming into the IT industry, but are, a little bit fearful?
Definitely. I think that is a good way of expressing it, that it's a bridge, it's a tool, it's an assistant actually for us now to jump in or step in this field, and actually pretty fast. And also thinking of myself, my background is in education, in people's learning and all these skills development areas. So strong, I would say that there's pretty strong know-how in that area. And there is definitely people who are also very strong in certain domains. And now taking these and thinking how can we make those processes, those use cases, those make impact on those areas more efficiently. And then we are now capable with these with tools and different systems to make that happen.
From Warsaw to Finland, basically, it's not like super far away. And I'm wondering if you could share a little bit of your experiences as a person who represents that part of Europe. We are always looking up to, countries from the north as we are looking at how they are using, different technologies on a regular basis, as well as they, leave the door ajar for women, from people with different, walks of life to come into some more, difficult, complex spaces. So how would you assess like the level of, diversity for in Finland when it comes to working in IT technology? Are these doors open? Can we learn anything from people who live in Finland?
That's a good question. Yes, we have very strong and good history in diversity and empowering women and in any different fields. And of course, in IT field, we try to do our best, but still we are in this kind of a global situation that more women are definitely needed also in Finland. And as discussed actually in our panel, there has been a kind of a shift in our, or phase in our education, that the engineering jobs were more male focused. And going back to our previous discussion, the question, I think now it's the capability that we see that AI in business, AI in education, AI in any kind of domains, and there now it's the capable. We are capable for bringing more women there. There's a lot of initiatives on that topic: women in IT, women in AI, all those things, and that's needed definitely. So empowering and opening up this world, which has actually come pretty rapidly. The change has been in the previous just 1 year, huge change. So we need to just empower women, even in Finland.
Even in Finland.
Even in Finland. And there are good initiatives, good work happening in technology industry of Finland, and many other kind of organizations are working on that topic.
One more question, just out of curiosity, because you mentioned like AI in business, AI in education. So what's the level of AI in administration? Because like from my neck of the woods, I can tell that, AI is still a novel thing, and it's more of a, something that many entrepreneurs are interested in, or engineers, but not necessarily people from the administration. I wonder if in Finland it's otherwise?
We have had good programs already in administration also. We had the national programs, how to bring AI, how to bring human-trusted, human-centric AI actually into the administration. So many years we have been focusing on those issues, and I think that is the kind of a good thing, that it's not only AI, but what are the kind of values, what are those other things we need to take into account at the same time. For example, this human centricity, trusted AI. And so I would say that in administration there might be more kind of this consciousness on the how do we regulate it at the same time. And now this is where we need to just keep the speed it up, especially here in Europe. We know what is happening in a global level, and if we don't do it in our countries, in our administrations, I think it's going to be coming to us from somewhere else. So at the same time, when we are thinking about this more about from the regulation point of view, maybe, we kind of forget to do things, try things. And that's what I'm now calling is that, yes, it's definitely very important that we do and are aware of these. How does it affect? How do we take these ethical issues, privacy issues, security issues into account? But at the same time, we need to keep doing. So maybe not the answer to your question, but I would say that just bring it to the administration, bring it there on that domain too, while also knowing that all those kind of the issues what comes in the package need to be considered, but the doing is now the thing. I'm
completely satisfied with your answer, like with all those insights that you share with me and our viewers. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate that.
Thank you so much.